Hi, I'm Kelsey here at McLean's RV. Today we're taking a walkthrough of the KZ Connect 291 BHK. Let's take a look. This unit comes in at 6,750 pounds dry weight, and from tip to tail, it's 34 feet 4 inches. We start here at the hitch. We've got an automatic system here with an exterior light. We've got a nice storage bay here at the front, pass-through storage with a magnetic closure up top. You'll also see we've got a Furrion solar charge pre-wired for your solar panels, so you can trickle charge that battery. You'll see a really nice LED lit awning out here, automatic of course, and our first entry here into the living space. This unit comes equipped with a campfire kitchen and a grill here. This secondary entrance goes into the rear bathroom. And as we come around here in the back, we've got our storage here and our spare tire. This is a 50 amp rig. Our Furrion hookup here, and some extra exterior storage here as well. We've got one single slide out here, which will have the U-dinette and the pull-out couch inside. You've got your fresh tank fill here and a city water connection. Let's take a look inside. As we enter here, we're already here in the kitchen space with a really nice spacious pantry. Coming around to this really nice U-dinette, lots of space to play games, have dinner with a big family. This also collapses down for another sleeping space. And as you can see, we've got lots of storage underneath as well. Coming around to the kitchen area, really nice L-shaped kitchen here, lots of counter space for cooking. We've got a beautiful cover here for stainless steel, deep basin sink. Residential faucet here. Lots of storage here in the kitchen. We've got a small microwave here, 3-burner gas stove, and an oven. Lots of drawer space here. Got 3 deep drawers here for storage. Full kitchen. As we come into the living space, we have another sofa here, which can pull out for more sleeping. And our entertainment space. Nice large TV with an extra Furrion sound bar for a really great entertainment experience. Some extra storage beneath the TV. And a Furrion fireplace. That BH in the name stands for bunkhouse, so we've got 2 bunks here and some extra storage beneath. As we come into the rear bath, we have a nice walk-in shower, and I really love this feature. This is our shower curtain replacement, which squeegees dry as you slide it back in. Let's go to the master bedroom. This is a king bed, and we've got his and hers wardrobes here on the side. We've got French style sliding doors which come in to give you some privacy. This has been the KZ Connect 291 BHK here at McLean's RV. Come take a look.